So this video continues chapter 9 of geometry. It's going to cover 9.5 and 9.6, and by the end of this video you should know how to calculate the area of a circle. So the circle area conjecture says that the area of a circle is given by the formula A equals pi r squared, where A is the area and r is the radius of a circle. So for example, if we're given a circle and given a radius and say that's 5 centimeters, then we can use our formula A equals pi r squared, and we can plug in our value. A equals pi times 5 squared. It's going to be 25 pi centimeters squared, or if we want to calculate that out using our calculators, that is going to be around 78.5 centimeters squared. So now we're going to cover some vocabulary. So the sector of a circle is the region between two radii of a circle and the included arc. So if we have our circle, we have two radii, then this is going to be a sector, this area here. You can think of it as a section of a pie chart, a piece of pie, or a piece of pizza or something. The segment of a circle then is the region between the chord of a circle and the included arc. So that would be like if you took a knife and just cut yourself a side of a pie or a pizza, if you really love crust. And then the annulus is if you have two concentric circles. So a reminder, concentric circles share a center, but they're not the same size. Then it's the region here between them. So now I'm going to go over the formulas for how to find the areas of these regions. So the area of a sector can be found by, so it's A for the angle. So if we have our circle, it's the angle right here, that's A, divided by 360 times pi r squared. That's your first formula. Sorry. The area of a segment is going to be, again, A divided by 360 times pi r squared minus 1/2 BH. So the BH, so if we have a segment here, and then we have the angle there, B and H are for the triangle that it forms. And the angle again is right here. And then area of an annulus is going to be pi r squared minus pi r squared, so we have r1 and r2 for each radius. So this is r1, this is r2. So we're going to do a practice problem for the area of this sector right here. We're going to say that that looks about at 45 degrees, and we're going to have a radius of 6 centimeters. So we have our formula, which is A over 360 pi r squared, and we're going to plug in our values. So 45 over 360 times pi 6 squared, and your best bet is just to plug this into your calculator and see what you get. So this comes out to be 9 pi over 2, or if we multiply that out, 14.137 centimeters squared.